Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and security so payments work instantly. First, open Wallet and add your card. Follow the bank's verification method, which can be SMS, an app prompt, or a phone call. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled and a device passcode is set so the payment is authorized quickly. Once done, set your default card and check that contactless payments are enabled. This avoids delays at checkout and prevents unexpected declines. You'll next perform the payment itself. Double-click the side button for Face ID devices or use the home button on Touch ID phones to bring up Wallet. Select the card you want and authenticate with Face or Touch. Tap and hold the top of the phone near the contactless reader until you feel a vibration and see a check mark or Done on screen. For an app or web purchases, choose Apple Pay, confirm shipping and billing, then authenticate to complete the purchase immediately. You finish by verifying the transaction and handling common issues. After payment, confirm the merchant's receipt and check Wallet or your bank's app for the charge. This validates successful completion. If a payment is declined, try another card, restart your iPhone, or contact your bank to clear holds. Network or verification problems are often the cause. If the terminal won't read contactless, ask the cashier for an alternative like chip, swipe, or a merchant payment link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.